Hey, what's up guys, today is another unboxing video. You're probably thinking like, bro, you just unboxed the 9 Pro XL not too long ago. What happened to that phone? If you guys didn't know, I got it through Google Fi, and so I had like 7 days to, use it, and if I didn't like it, return it. My biggest complaint was obviously battery life, and so I was like, dang, okay, I'm just going to my iPhone. My iPhone I've been using a ton, and so my battery health has been going down. As you know, it's pretty much that old Pixel level now, if not a little bit worse, because I use my camera so much. So this dropped, and people were saying that it's more efficient than G4, and so I had to cop. Plus, my entire family's on Google, so I can't stand the green bubbles. Let's go, 10 Pro. So yeah, I got a normal size phone instead of a bigger phone. Yeah. Okay, so if you guys want the exact specs, it's the 10 Pro, so it's a 6.3, 128 gigs. I didn't need 256 because I have Google storage, and it's the Moonstone color. Ugh, I had to get this color, bro. This color's fire. All right, now let's get to the biggest part: unboxing. All right, there we go. Got the mic right here. I don't know if I'm the only one that always has trouble with that part, but that is finally done. Oh yeah, that was fire. And I just realized plastic isn't even off yet, so I'm not even seeing the true color. So let's get this thing off. So obviously, you got the cable, USB-C to USB-C. So I got another one of these. Fire, fire, fire. I didn't keep one from Google, obviously. I sent it back with them. Nice person. That's about it. Alright, so now let's get to the phone. That's sick. That's so fire. Yeah, this color's insane. I can't even lie. Those sides are really, really glossy. I don't remember if my 9 Pro XL was like that, but this is honestly maybe my favorite color. I can't lie. It's such it's so muted, like a muted gray. I was gonna say there's no fingerprints, but I just rubbed my finger on it, and it's a little fingerprinty, but dude, this feels actually really good. Honestly, I'm glad I went this size and not the Pro XL. This just feels so good. So I'm really hoping battery and cameras live up to it. So yeah. Hi guys. So it is now a little bit later, as you can tell. Get the phone set up and everything, dude. Honestly, I don't know why it's not insanely different, but I do definitely like it way better than the 9 Pro XL. I don't know if it's because it's the size or what. I have no idea. But even just using it with setting up all my apps and stuff, I don't even think I have all of them set up. Battery was just way better than like that 9 Pro XL. Like I can't even lie, the 9 Pro XL kind of sucked on battery life. I don't know if it was just me, but battery life sucked, like I said. And this was seeming better than my iPhone. Mind you, my iPhone's battery health is 90%, so it's not like terrible. It's not like good either. But dude, this insane. And so I'm charging it because it didn't come fully charged. It came at like 40%. Setting it up, bro. I think it was like 40, 45%. And then once I got done setting up everything up, like plugged in to my iPhone, transferring, it got to like 33, I think, is the lowest I got to with logging in. and stuff. And so now I'm back at 41, and I just plugged it in like literally like 4 minutes ago. Insane. So I'm really excited to use it tomorrow at work, just to see like everyday battery life. Obviously, one downside is just about the AirPod Pro 2s. But hey, I think they're releasing the 3s in September, so I don't have to keep up. I still do have to buy the Google ones because I connected them. They connect. It doesn't sound great, but they connected. And so, yeah. So I guess I'm getting into the Google ecosystem. So I'm getting my watch next. And actually, no, I'm getting my my Google earbuds next. Then my watch, because the watch, the 4 isn't, available yet. It says pre-order. I think they were coming out in like October. I think, like the Fold is. I think, possibly. I have no idea. But yeah, so that's probably gonna be the third upgrade. It's probably that watch. Plus, I can get that watch on data now. This has data, but I can't get it because I'm on Google Fi on my iPhone, and they don't accept like other watch data other than the Google one, which is kind of weird. But so the Google earbuds next, the Pro 2s, obviously. I don't think they released the Pro 3. And then watch. So that's it so far. Obviously, as you can tell, it's a it's at 44% already. I think it charges pretty fast, which is one thing I like. And so yeah, my iPhone's sitting there right next to it. iPhone, for example, is at 10%. I also just put it on the MagSafe charger for a little bit. Dude, okay, I tested this phone on the MagSafe charger. Oh my gosh. Well, that thing's sick, dude. The Pixel freaking snap. Oh my days. Yeah, it's pretty fire. I gotta get some like a MagSafe wallet or something to put on it. Make that Pixel snap like snappy, like useful. But yeah, hey, that charger is staying because I can use it. But it has the watch charger on it, and I'm not keeping this for very long. If I could sell it, possibly. So that's gonna be one useless charger, is that Apple Watch one, because the wireless I think works for the Googles or something like that. I have no idea. But yeah, if you guys want to see like a camera comparison or a camera test, maybe just this alone, let me know. If you want to see it compared to my iPhone 15 Pro, let me know, because I was messing around with it already. That 10X is crazy. I can't even lie. I'm really, really, really ready to test the 100 times like ProRes zoom. That 10X, bro, that 10X is honestly insane. First thing I did when I got it, open that 10X. Insane. Something I missed about the 9 Pro XL was telephoto camera difference between that and my iPhone, obviously. And so, yeah, fire. This is way better. Way better. Obviously, you have the Magic Q and all that AI stuff that is added to this. I think they're coming to the other iPhone, iPhones, holy crap, other Google phones, I think. But already got that. I'm waiting for Expressive to move. Like, please, Google, push that out really fast. That'll be nice. But, yeah, dude, it's fire. It's fire. This is like the small details. It's on every Google phone pretty much. The black, always on display. It has to save so much more battery life than having the freaking dimmed screen. Like, bruh. But, yeah, I think that's it for this video. Your boy is officially switched over to Pixel. The 9, I thought I was going to stay for a little, but didn't. So this is definitely official. So yeah. Again, let me know if you guys want to see that review of camera comparison or like just day in the life or whatever. Like, I'll do either. Just let me know what you guys want to see. And yeah, peace.